What's up, guys? So I want to do a video here on my racing lawnmower. I bought this thing about a year ago, and I rebuilt the engine, and when I went to run it, it blew up. So I wanted to do a engine teardown type video, because I've got it ready to pull here. But yeah, so this is the mower. It's got some really nice all-terrain wheels on it. It's got a bus driver's seat, which is pretty badass. It can do up to a 25 horse motor, but it's just got the small 8 horse in it. It's got a wheelie bar because this thing does some wheelies, which is pretty cool. And yeah, so here I'll show the there's the hole. Yeah, this thing really blew up. Actually, in fact, it blew up so hard that it broke the casting of the starter motor. So that'll be kind of interesting. We'll pull that out here in a minute, and we'll do a inspection of it and start tearing her down. All right, guys. So we got the engine out of the mower here. Got her up on the table. Don't mind my thingy. Wow, that is something. Oh my goodness. I have an external inspection port. Amazing. Oh, that is something. Well, let's see. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. This crank might be okay. This block sure as hell ain't okay. Alright, so... Oh, yeah, so this is where the starter goes. Alright, so look at that. So the starter goes... It's supposed to be on there like that. It broke with such force that it shattered the bracket. Oh my god, it split the block up above the flywheel. So, oh wow, that's loose. Unreal, man. Oh, little piece of metal. Wow. Oh my god, look at the block, it's bent. Oh man, that is unreal. That's amazing. So basically what happened, well, actually I don't know what happened, but I don't know what caused the failure, but what did happen was the rod broke. So there's one part of it. Yeah, so actually here's where it attaches to the rest. So there's a few pieces in there that we're going to find. Alright, so what we're going to do here, we're going to take some of these shields off and, you know, the top here, kind of open it up, and then we'll start popping head bolts here, and we'll come back to this in a minute. Alright, so we've got most of the engine torn down here. I've actually popped all the bolts that hold the casing together. We've got the head off, and it actually looked really good. There's no damage. The piston didn't come up and hit the spark plug. And actually the piston is down in the bore right now. Yeah, so we've got this all undone here. So we'll pull this off and see what kind of gnarly damage we have. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, yeah. We've got metal bits all over. Air noise. We're just gonna throw that right there. And well, let's see here. All right, we've got a bunch of pieces, and oh yeah, there's some rod. There's probably some block, some block, some block. Okay, we'll add that to our collection there. That's, I don't know what that is. We'll figure it out in a minute here. What the heck? Wow. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Well, I think I know what happened. I'm betting that my governor failed and it didn't sling oil up into the ring, or not the ring, the piston, and friction caused it to blow up. Wow, it's glittery. Cool. It feels gritty. All right. So we'll just put that together there. What? How did this get in here? This is an electrical solder connector. Oops. Okay, that's not supposed to be in there. Oh boy. We got all kind of goodies in here. Okay, I want to get the crank out so we can push the piston out, because I want to see that. But let's... Come on. Let's pull this gasket. Well, at least that held together. Oh, wait. Never mind. No, it didn't. Alright. We're going to stop the video now, and we'll come back when this is torn apart. Alright, and we're back. So, got the whole motor apart now. Wow, this is awesome. So, we'll start with the block here. Yeah, it's toast. It is completely toast. I mean, that crack propagated all the way to here. Yeah, that is toast. There's some ding and scuff marks up here on the bore. There's definitely some vertical scratches that have happened. There's some dings right there. This oil is very glittery and dirty, very glossy. Yeah, definitely quite the failure. And so here's the piston. That is amazing. Yeah, there's the half of it. It's supposed to be in half this way, not this way. Oh boy. Let's see, the cam. So the cam looks pretty good. I mean, this is carbon steel. There's some scratches on this, but it's a Mower engine. I mean, there's like not gonna be a whole lot you can do with that. The valve push rods, they look really nice. Sort of. Yeah, I mean, again, it's a Mower engine. It doesn't matter. Okay, here's the interesting thing. So the crank here has got these counterweights on it for balance, I guess. This blow up was so powerful that it completely broke one of these. Like here, I can pull this. That's carbon steel, and it fractured that. I mean, it completely broke it. Unreal. That is amazing. Yeah, geez, I don't know. Hell. Well, yeah. Oh, okay, here's another cool thing. So here's the oil that came out of the very bottom. Shiny. Yeah. It's very watery as well. I think that's just a result of the engine being out in the environment over the last few months, while it's been obviously exposed to the elements. Yeah. So what I'm concluding is I had a oil slinger failure. This thing broke. it was not getting sufficient oil to the crank, you know, to this surface. And it heated up enough to where just sheer stress of it rotating, this locked up enough to where it fractured the rod. And then just wreaked havoc on the rest of the motor. So this whole thing here, I'm not even going to deal with. It is junk. Complete junk. This I might be able to salvage. I might sell this online. The head is definitely okay. Starter, is shot. The bracket's built into it. It's broke. That thing's shot. Pulley, I'm going to keep that for my other mower that I got. Head bolts I'm going to keep. Or, sorry, that's going to go with the head. Cam, I'll sell if I can. And then the crank. So looking at the journal here, let's clean this up a little bit so we can see it. Come on, focus. There we go. I mean, it looks okay. I don't feel any scratches. It feels really nice. Oh, come on. Yeah, I think this is okay. I might be able to sell this. The counterweight, well, obviously, if you got one counterweight broke, you don't really care about the other one. I mean, they come together as one piece. So, anyway, there it is. I rebuilt this motor one time, and the biggest thing was I could not find a oil slinger that would fit for this engine. So I just tried to put the old one back in. Clearly that didn't frickin' work. And it cost me, oh geez, I don't know. It's not much. I was probably $100 into this whole rebuild. And now I've got a completely blown engine. So I'm going to see if I can recoup my cost on it and maybe invest in, I don't know, some replacement parts for the other engine I have. But anyway, yeah, so just wanted to make that quick. Anyway, take it easy.